Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. Welcome aboard crested 880, state of the art CRJ900 Sheldon service to Kinshasa. Flight time will be 2 hours and 20 minutes, cruising at 36,000 feet above mean sea level. Weather for our departure is a little bit cloudy, so expect a few bumps as we climb our track using our ships. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning, on behalf of Uganda Airlines, the entire crew on board, we would like to recognize the presence of Uganda's #1 music expert, Jose Chameleone and the brother, Weasel, who are traveling with us to Kinshasa. And on behalf of Uganda Airlines, the crew on board, the management, we do appreciate your clientele. And the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the service. Good morning.